in the past week with a single YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that and how you guys can do it too. So as you can see, in the past week from November 28th to December 4th, 2018, last 7 days, $6,302.06 on a single YouTube channel. Now, I'm actually logged into my YouTube analytics here, guys, so I can show you exactly how much this channel makes, exactly how I'm doing this, and how you guys can do this too. This, in my opinion, is the #1 way to make money online for beginners with no experience, because it requires no spending on Facebook ads, no spending on any type of advertisements, no upfront costs. All you guys need to do this is a computer, an internet connection, and a bank account. So as you can see right here, on November 28th, $812, on November 29th, $779, on November 30th, $994, nearly $1,000 per day, every single day in the past week, in the last 7 days. Now obviously, $6,000 per week is way more than a full-time income, and a lot of you guys are probably surprised that you can actually make this much money on YouTube. Let me show you guys exactly how I do this. And here's the kicker, guys. This is using videos I didn't even make. Now, you guys are probably really confused and astounded right now that you can make over $6,000 per week using videos you didn't even make and re-uploading them to YouTube. And this is solely making money off of YouTube ads, as you can see right here. I'm not talking about making any money with Amazon affiliate links. I'm not talking about anything like that. I'm not talking about selling your own products or anything like that. This is using videos you didn't even make to generate ad revenue on YouTube, which then pays you. Google then pays you every single month. For me, at least, on the 21st of every single month, AdSense pays, and you can make a lot of money doing this. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean by uploading videos you didn't even make. Let me show you some example channels right here. So here is the first example channel called Top 5 Gadgets, and as you guys can see, they're uploading a video every couple days, which is actually not what I recommend. I recommend uploading at least like 5 to 10 videos per day. I know it sounds like a lot, guys, but if you put in the work and if you do the time at the beginning of every single day, upload a couple videos, download some videos, schedule them throughout the day to upload, that will give you the best chances with YouTube. Because, guys, look at their last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, look at their last 6 videos, guys. One of them got 347,000 views, and the other one's got like 4,000, 2,000 views. So most of their money is going to be coming from this channel right here, 5 cool EDC gadgets you need to see. Most of their money is going to be coming from that video. So the more videos you upload, the more of those types of videos you guys will have. And as you can see, if we go to their most popular videos on this particular channel, Top 5 Gadgets, we can see that their top videos are the ones that are generating most of the revenue. Like this one, 1.4 million views, this one, 1.3 million. As you can see, their top videos are the ones that are generating 80% of the revenue. It goes back to that whole 80-20 rule. So here's some more channels that are doing the exact same thing. As you can see, this one called Tech Update, doing the exact same thing. 5 million views on that video, 2 million views on that video. They're doing the exact same thing. I'm going to show you guys in just a second what I mean by uploading videos you didn't even make, and how these channels are using videos they didn't even make and not getting any copyright complaints or anything like that. Here's another channel called Tech HD doing the exact same thing. Here's another channel called Quantum Tech HD, and I'm actually on one of their example videos, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean. But as you can see, for this channel, for this Quantum Tech HD channel, this channel is making between $26,000 and $419,000 per month, guys, per month on a single YouTube channel. That's absolutely insane. This channel is making much more money than even my biggest YouTube channel is making, and from experience, I can tell you guys that that figure is right around the middle of those two estimated figures on Social Blade. So this channel is at least, at a minimum, making over $200,000 per month on YouTube, just through YouTube ads, let alone like the Amazon affiliate links they have in the description and whatnot. But the method I'm teaching doesn't have anything to do with affiliate links or anything like that. But how do these channels get away with using videos they didn't even make? The way that these channels do this is that they find products on places like Amazon, Indiegogo. Kickstarter campaigns are really good because you'll see a lot of those futuristic new tech inventions, things like that. So they find products on places like that, and then they find the videos, because on most products you'll find like a video. Like on this one, they're showing some scuba tank, and there's the video. All of these different products have videos that go along with them. So they download the videos, they put them together onto a single video, and you might want to title the video like 5 new inventions that are on another level. As you can see, this one's just titled New Inventions That Are on Another Level. Things of that nature. They upload the videos, make sure they're over 10 minutes long, because when they're over 10 minutes long, you can put multiple ads on the videos. And there's no talking in these videos at all. There's no talking, no narration, there's no showing your face or anything. You can stay completely anonymous doing this method. You don't have to show your face, but all the techniques that I'm teaching right here can apply if you did want to show your face. And I would almost recommend doing a voiceover, but this channel does no voiceover. They just put the videos together, and they're making a lot of money doing this. So as you can see, they have the links to all these Kickstarter campaigns and all these Indiegogo campaigns and all these Amazon links to the products, sometimes a link to the product's direct website and things like that. But how can these channels get away with this, using videos they didn't even make and not receive any copyright complaints or any copyright strikes? And how can they get away doing this? Well, the answer is quite simple. These videos are essentially an 11-minute advertisement. As you can see, this video is 11 minutes. It's essentially an 11-minute advertisement for every single product that is shown in this video. Now, this is just one channel that's doing this. There's a lot of channels doing this exact same thing within the tech niche. Now, you can do this within any niche. You can do this for top 5 videos, like top 5 most shocking things that were found on the moon, like conspiracy type videos like that. You can do this for any niche out there. I will point out that some niches are more profitable than others. As you can see, this channel has 104 million views in the past 30 days, so some niches will be more searched for than others, and some niches will also have better ad rates. Now, what I mean by ad rates is that because there's more advertisers on YouTube that want to advertise on tech videos, let's say, than maybe advertisers would want to advertise on conspiracy videos, using that other example there. So more people want to advertise on these tech videos, which is understandable because there's more technology products that are on YouTube. So certain niches are more profitable than other ones, and that's why one of the niches that I recommend are these tech videos. Now, if you guys are interested in more niches to do this and the exact method on how I create a channel from scratch and start doing this exact same method so you can start making money with YouTube as soon as possible, I do have a course at the link in the description. It's only $99, and I'm confident you guys can make your money back with this method very, very fast if you apply exactly what I teach. But that's how these videos are getting away with this. They're using videos they didn't even make because they're essentially advertising the products in them. Because if we go back to any of these products that are shown in this video, like this piece of workout equipment right here, the manufacturer of this workout equipment isn't going to copyright strike this video because it's essentially advertising for them for free, getting 400,000 views for their product, and their product link is right in the description as well. Now, let's take a look at some more channels doing this exact same thing. Here's a channel called Cool Tech doing the exact same thing. There's so many of these different YouTube channels that are doing the same thing and getting a lot of views doing it. As you can see, 1.6 million views in the past 2 years, 600,000 views, 400,000 views, 300,000 views. All these different views add up, and it equates to a lot of money for the owners of these channels. Here's another channel here called Gadgets Hero. Don't be afraid to jump into one of these niches just because there's a lot of channels doing this. A lot of these channels are fairly new. A lot of these channels are under a year old. You guys can get started doing this as soon as you want. And yet again, another channel, Top 5's HD, and another channel, Future Tech. There's so many of these channels doing this, and another channel called the exact same thing, Future Tech. 8.4 million views in 10 months. These channels are making so much money, and you guys can do this too. Like steps that I outline how you guys can start making money with YouTube as soon as possible. I show you guys how to create your YouTube channel, how to optimize your YouTube channel, which hardly anybody talks about. Everybody talks about optimizing videos, which I show exactly how to do as well. But I also show how to optimize your YouTube channel, which is really important to getting a lot of views, and how to create an AdSense account, link it with YouTube, how to get approved for monetization as soon as possible so you can start putting ads on your videos as soon as possible, how to find videos, what videos to use. I show you the best niches that you can do this in, how to optimize your videos for views and subscribers, as I mentioned, and then how to finally make money with your videos. And I even show you 2 secrets to multiplying your revenue up to 10 times what anybody else makes on YouTube, like YouTube celebrities and people like that. I show you how to multiply your revenue up to 10 times what anybody else makes, and nobody's teaching how to do these things. And then finally, I show you how to study your YouTube analytics and how to use click-through rate to blow up on YouTube really fast. Now, if you guys are interested in jumping in on the course, this course outlines everything, and as I mentioned, this is the #1 way, in my opinion, of making money online in 2018, going into 2019 here. Right now is the perfect time to jump in with this method because ad rates on YouTube are so high right now during the holiday seasons. There's so many advertisers advertising on videos, and I need to update my course, I just realized, because it says $110,000 in the past 365 days. Now it's up to $122,000 if you guys are wondering, in the past year. So it's way over a full-time income from a single YouTube channel. You guys can do this too. If you guys are interested, link in the description, makemoneymat.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.